One of the challenges we find a lot of our customers facing is that they're not all able to assign the same level of resource to their gas distribution system. For example, one customer has a system of over 250 gas lines, but a team of only 2 people to look after it. The other challenge we found is that our customers would not always get a solution that meets all of their requirements.
And that's where our highly skilled professional who are trained by SwageLock can go in and be able to look at those challenges and offer them solutions that could solve some of their current issues.
The main reason to get a SwageLock field engineer to come and evaluate your system is we look at it from an overall point of view, but also in the detail. So we'll review things like system functionality, the quality of components, all of those things that make up the system.
Our evaluations are really centered on a few different things. One is, let's see what you have and how does it perform. Very often, because these systems evolve over time, you can't rely on the drawings of how they were built, if they even exist anymore. And so one of our first goals is to document what systems do you have, what gases are they carrying, how are they performing. Next, we start looking at those systems with a critical eye on best practices. Are there industry or experiential best practices that our field engineers have understood and picked up in their experience that could be used on that current system? And we try to highlight those in regards to safety, efficiency, leakage, or design. And then tie that together with system recommendations and an implementation plan going forward.
We're very familiar with a lot of the applications in the industry, and we have a very big wealth of knowledge behind us, not just the account manager or us as the advisor, but we also have the field engineers and as well as the factory behind us. And by allowing us to be involved with that, we can make sure that the products that they're speccing in their systems are going to be designed to work for their systems.
What we also try to utilize as much as we can are different means of digital connection. Things like the 3D PDF output of a gas distribution panel that can be rotated and zoomed in and turned upside down to see exactly how it'll fit into a customer's system, which wouldn't have always been possible until the panel was built and brought on site.
By working together with us, we can ensure that every product that goes into their system is going to work the best for it and the most efficient for them.
Now, bringing that whole team on site isn't always feasible or cost effective, so being able to interact with them virtually, we can still tap into the expertise of the broader team, is really, really valuable for our customers.
One neat capability we have is a camera system that allows us to either take it on site ourselves, or we can actually ship it to one of our customers and they have them wear it, and they can take it right into the plant, and we can actually go into a virtual meeting with it. It goes on, you can wear it with a hard hat and be totally safe. It has an eyepiece in here that allows me to see your screen and we can have a conversation. And then there's a camera up here that allows you to see what I'm seeing. So it allows us to have a virtual meeting and we can walk around and be safe and be in the plant and do an advisory service.
We know the components, we've lived those components for more than 70 years, and our field engineers have extensive experience with these types of gas handling systems at many different sites all over the globe. So being able to pair our component knowledge with the experience of our field engineers gives our customers the confidence that they're going to be using the most efficient and safest gas distribution systems for their business.